Imagine if you could press pause on your day, anytime, anywhere, with just your breath. Did you know that taking just 3 mindful breaths can reset your whole day? It sounds simple, but the power of conscious breathing is profound. In the ancient practice of Hatha Yoga, breath is more than just air. It's the bridge between your body and your mind, a tool you can use to find calm, clarity, and energy whenever you need it. Modern science now confirms what yogis have known for centuries. Mindful breathing lowers anxiety, reduces stress hormones, and boosts your focus. When you slow down and pay attention to your breath, your heart rate drops, your mind quiets, and your body relaxes. It's like giving yourself a mini vacation, no matter where you are. Let's tap into that power together, right now. Whether you're new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, these simple techniques can help you reconnect with yourself and find peace in the present moment. We'll begin with Anulom Vilom, also known as alternate nostril breathing. This classic pranayama technique is designed to balance the left and right sides of your brain, harmonizing your energy and calming your thoughts. It's a gentle, rhythmic practice that can be done anywhere, anytime you need to reset. To start, sit comfortably with your spine tall. Gently close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale slowly and deeply through your left nostril. Feel the cool air entering, filling your lungs and expanding your belly. Now close your left nostril with your ring finger, release your right nostril and exhale smoothly through the right. Notice the warmth of your breath as it leaves your body, carrying away tension and stress. Switch sides and repeat this gentle flow. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left. Continue for a few rounds, letting your breath become your anchor. With each cycle, you may notice your mind becoming quieter, your body more relaxed, and your thoughts less scattered. This simple flow brings balance to your mind and body, helping you feel centered and clear. It's perfect for those moments when you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or just need to find your footing again. Even a few minutes can make a world of difference. Next, let's try Bhramari, the bee breath. This unique pranayama is named for the gentle humming sound you make as you exhale, like the soft buzz of a bee. It's a powerful way to soothe your nervous system, quiet your mind, and melt away mental chatter. To practice, lightly plug your ears with your thumbs, close your eyes, and rest your fingers gently over your forehead and face. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely. As you exhale, hum softly, feeling the vibration in your head and chest. Let the sound be gentle and soothing, like a lullaby for your mind. Feel that gentle vibration. It's more than just a sound. It's a massage for your brain, a way to release tension and invite calm. The vibrations help to clear away mental fog, reduce frustration, and bring a sense of inner peace. Bhramari melts away mental noise and soothes your nerves. It's especially helpful before bed, after a stressful day, or any time you need to quiet your thoughts. Finally, let's awaken your energy with Kapalbhati, our energizer breath. Kapalbhati means shining skull, and it's all about clearing your mind and boosting your vitality. To practice, sit tall and take a deep breath in. Then, forcefully exhale through your nose, pulling your belly in sharply with each exhale. The inhale happens naturally between each burst. Imagine each short, quick burst of breath as a cleansing wind, sweeping away stagnant energy and negative thoughts. Start with 20 quick exhales, then pause and notice the tingling energy in your body. With regular practice, Kapalbhati can help you feel more alert, focused, and alive. These 3 breaths, Anulom Vilom, Bhramari, and Kapalbhati, are your reset button. They're simple, powerful, and always available to you, no matter what life throws your way. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time, just a few minutes and your willingness to pause and breathe. Try them each morning or whenever you need a moment of calm. Notice how your inner world shifts, how your mind becomes clearer, your body lighter, and your spirit more at ease. Over time, these practices can help you build resilience, improve your mood, and deepen your connection to yourself. Which breath was your favorite? Comment below and share your experience. Remember, peace, clarity, and energy are always just a breath away. Take a moment now, close your eyes, and let your breath guide you home to yourself.